Hi, I'm Darren from Watercolor Mentor, and in this class you'll learn how to draw and paint this beautiful first snow scene in Moscow, Russia. You'll learn how to simplify down complex buildings such as St. Basil's Cathedral, and also pick up ways to loosen up your style. You'll find out how to add your own personal touch to transform any reference photo into a unique piece of art. This class is designed for beginners to intermediate learners and also includes separate drawing and painting lessons. This is to help you understand and apply the entire process of creating this scene. I'm really excited to get started, so enroll in this class and let's do it.